Hi there, students. With a vengeance. I think it best if I give you examples. So, the weather has turned cold with a vengeance. It means extremely. It's used to emphasize the degree of something. It's a humorous, informal way of doing it. Vengeance is when you punish somebody for something that they did wrong to you. Yeah, you take your revenge, you retaliate. And normally when somebody does something with a vengeance, their vengeance is extremely strong, extremely intense. So we use this phrase to do something with a vengeance, to do it passionately, determinedly, strongly, yeah? So he was incredibly hungry. He hadn't eaten for 24 hours, and he sat down and ate with a vengeance. If you've got your exam coming soon, then you're going to start studying English with a vengeance. Really seriously, really strongly, really with real intensity. Okay, so with a vengeance, determinedly. My parents have been away and we had a party, and now we have to clean the house with a vengeance, because otherwise I'm going to be in terrible trouble. He was depressed and he started drinking with a vengeance. So notice this is informal. Yeah, you can't use this in a formal situation. In a formal situation, very strongly, very determinedly, very passionately, something like that. Okay, so with a vengeance, normally after a verb, to do something with a vengeance, and it means to do it with extreme hard work, with extreme intensity. Okay, so the weather has turned cold with a vengeance. Well, maybe it's turned hot with a vengeance, the other way around. So there you go, with a vengeance. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. With a vengeance.